Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth headphone to our Poco phone. Guys, you want to unpair your Bluetooth headphone to your Poco phone, so guys, how can you unpair? Today I will show you in this video guys how to unpair a Bluetooth headphone to our Poco mobile. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to unpair our Bluetooth headphone. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Bluetooth setting guys, click here. So friends, you can see your device name, Bluetooth headphone device name, and right side is arrow guys, tap here. Friends, you can see this your phone calls guys, useful guys, you want to off, you want to on, you can on and off from here guys. If you off your phone calls, you cannot pick up call. MIDI audio guys, you cannot. If you off, so you cannot use. So friends, you want to unpair guys, tap here, then it will unpair to your phone guys. Sorry fans, I paused the video because of sound guys. Ignore the sound guys. I am really sorry fans. Only focus on only video. So fans, it will unpair to your phone guys. You cannot use guys. If you use so fans, you will have to pay again this notification. Then guys, you can pay this headphone guys. We will cancel it. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth headphone to your Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.